Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of the Screenwriting Basic series by Script Writing Tips. In this episode, we'll try to clarify the meanings of story versus plot, genre, and theme. The plot is the story of a movie arranged in the particular order we watch it. Let's say that the story of the movie The Sixth Sense is a man who's dead but doesn't know it, and he meets a kid who can see ghosts. But the plot of the movie The Sixth Sense is completely different because we don't know that he's dead until the very end of the movie. So the plot in The Sixth Sense is about a doctor who's trying to help a kid who sees ghosts, and in the end, he realizes that he is a ghost himself. The genre is basically what kind of movie it is. What's the style of a movie? Some very popular genres are comedy, drama, action movies, thriller, film noir, etc. The theme of a movie is often confused with the story or the plot, but in reality, theme is something completely different. Theme is the idea behind the story. It is the main subject of the story. So a story about Christmas could have as a theme people's loneliness. A story can have, of course, many themes, and that's fine, but usually one or two of them prevail. Let's take, for example, the movie The Silence of the Lambs. The story is about a woman trying to succeed in FBI by solving a case of a serial killer after taking advices from another serial killer. The plot, or storyline, is how the sequence of events are taking place. So a woman trainee in FBI is sent to interview a serial killer who eventually will help her catch another serial killer and succeed in her career. The genre is a psychological horror thriller. The theme, however, is about the oppression and abuse of women in our men's societies, the struggling to survive and succeed in a man's world. So that's all for now. Another episode of the Script Writing Tips has come to its end. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of this content, do this and this. I will continue to release videos on how to find the various plot points, as well as sharing tips, explaining structure, and analyzing movies and stories, so stick around. Let me know what you would like to see. Feel free to share your comments or tips in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. This is Apollonia and Script Writing Tips.